dead bugs. So how do we strengthen the core? Well, for one, and I've been emphasizing this in my other videos, especially with the bridge, is connecting the rib cage to the pelvis. Think of two plugs. Here's a plug, and boom, connecting them together. So dead bugs, this first dead bug is basic, very elemental, very, I shouldn't say easy, because for some people it might not be easy, but very helpful and useful position to strengthen the core. So watch my lower back. A lot of people do this, or they're already in a posteriorly tilted pelvis and they're doing this too much. So you got to find that neutrality, you got to find that neutral for your pelvis. Okay, for me, I feel it's about right here. Okay, I'm going to bring one leg up. Let me scoot a little bit, put it away from my table there. Okay, I'm going to bring one leg up into a tabletop, another leg up. I'm going to drop my head because I don't want to stress my neck in this position. Then I'm going to bring my arms up, and hopefully this is 90 degrees. Okay, Will, is this 90? Okay, cool. My cameraman behind that. Okay, and my arms are going to be here, and look at my pelvis, or look at my rib cage. I don't want this. I don't want this. I want to try to find that neutral. So I'm connecting the rib cage to the pelvis. Then I'm going to inhale, and my motion, my movement is following my breath, not my breath is following the movement. So I'm going to inhale. And you see how my ribcage arches a little bit? And then exhale. When I exhale, you see how my ribcage comes down like that and connects to the pelvis? So inhale. So you notice my range of motion for my shoulders, it's about right here. My left arm is completely different, not completely, but different than my right shoulder. I don't have the range of motion in my left shoulder that I do in my right. So I'm not going to force it and bend my arms. Maybe your range of motion for your shoulders, your end range is right here, and that's where you stop, not to the floor. Okay? So let's do it again. I'll review really quickly. I'm going to inhale. Abdomen fills up. Exhale. Use my mouth so then you can hear it. Usually I breathe through my nose because it's a much cleaner breath. Okay? Drop one leg, then the other, drop the arms. You're all done.